Okay, so today I'm gonna show you how I made this animation. New composition, okay. So let's make the background, let's say a blue. Doesn't have to be exactly that blue. Let's go now to the text tool. Let's type hello while pressing shift. Okay, let's align it horizontally and vertically. Let's zoom in a bit with the mouse wheel. And now what I want to do, I want to add the track mate, and for that I will use rectangle tool again. I will change the color just so you can see the rectangle, but it doesn't matter what color this rectangle would be because it will become transparent. So now go to hello text, and if you don't see track matte options, just go to this button and press it. And now with the text layer selected, go to track matte and choose shape layer 2, which is our rectangle. Let's press enter and rename it track matte. What we basically done, it is we created a mask. Yeah, if you can see, I can move the text, but when it goes beyond that rectangle, it becomes invisible. Cool. So now what I want to do is to animate the text. Just press P on your keyboard to open position value parameter, and now go to about 1 second in the timeline and press the stopwatch. This is the final position. Go with time indicator to the beginning and press this add or remove keyframe at current time. And now what we have to do is, with the selection tool selected, press shift and drag it down. And what we basically done is that I make it appear like that. Yeah, when I press the spacebar to play the timeline, let's make it a little bit faster. So this is the text. We can make it a little bit further so it bounces. Yeah, and we can smooth the animation with selecting the keyframes, right clicking and selecting keyframe assistant and ease, or just press F9 on your keyboard. And now we have this cool animation. What I want to do is to make it appear from that line. So what I want to do is just select the pen tool. Yeah, this is the pen tool. Press about here, left click on your mouse, press shift to draw a straight line, and right about here press left click again. Let's make the fill not here, let's make the fill none, and stroke, let's make it around 5 pixels. Cool. So now we have to animate this line. What we have to do is to open this shape layer, and here you have an add option. Just click on this arrow and select trim pads. So now what we have to do, have your current time indicator about right here, where ideally you should have your current time indicator where you have the other keyframes from your text. And after that you just open trim pads and press stopwatch on start and on end, then bring this to the beginning of the timeline, put 50% here and put 50% on the end, and now we have this animation. Yeah,